Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an e-bike chain full guide. Start by shifting to the smallest gear and positioning the bike stable on a stand or upside down. Inspect the chain for stiff links, rust, or damaged rollers and note where the problem is. Gather a chain tool, lubricant, rags, and replacement links. I'll guide you step by step to remove, repair, and reinstall the chain safely and efficiently. Begin by finding the master link or using a chain tool to push out a pin, then carefully separate the chain. Lay links in order and note their direction to avoid twisting on reinstallation. Check the cassette and chain rings for worn or bent teeth that could cause skipping. Clean the chain area with a rag and degreaser so you can see damage clearly. I'll explain how to remove stiff links and when to replace the entire chain. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh ride scent. It's a funny little treat after greasy chain work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and don't miss any extras there. Now let's get back to the video. If a link is damaged, use the chain tool to push the pin out just enough to remove the link, then insert a replacement link or quick link. Clean adjacent links thoroughly, apply lubricant, and flex each link to confirm smooth motion. Reinstall the chain onto the chainring and cassette, ensuring proper engagement and tension. Test shift through all gears and pedal gently to check alignment and silence. I'll walk you through final adjustments and safety checks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.